I love parking somewhere in the dark, only to find out it's gorgeous in the morning. Look at that view. That's what I woke up to.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend.
So I decided to go to the Hoover Dam since it's just a little bit past Las Vegas. I'd go today and then go get Candace in Las Vegas tomorrow. Spend the next day in Las Vegas, and then I wouldn't have to hit the Hoover Dam after that. What I didn't know is that you need to go through like a full car inspection to get close to the dam. So I had to like park and roll all my windows down. Two security guards came and looked at my car. My car is full right now. Like, my car is ridiculous right now. They were like, can we lift out these blankets back here? I said, yes you may. Absolutely. No, I do not have any firearms, but if I did, good luck finding them, you know? That's very pretty. What a view. What I think is super cute is apparently that side is Nevada and this side is Arizona. And so on that side they have a little clock tower that says Nevada time, and on this clock tower they have a little clock that says Arizona time. The light through that's real pretty. I think it's coming through there. What the heck? So my legs still hurt from yesterday. All the hiking and everything I do like all the time on this trip, and it was walking around Hollywood that just killed my legs. So I got out and it was like, oh, that doesn't feel nice. And I was looking for free parking. So I was a good way away from like all the plaques and stuff you can read. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna settle for seeing it from afar. I spent a good time up on that observation area, that lookout area, and I enjoyed it immensely. Felt good to feel the sun, but I wasn't about to take the trek down, and so now I'm going. Very cool, very cool.
Michael